Good morning, Juicy Good Lifers. I'm using my spa voice this morning because we're inside Sundara Inn and Spa, and Catherine has done an amazing job getting ready for our guests today. We've got our fun bags, and we're going to have breakfast and then begin our day, and we're going inside to actually learn from our sponsor of the conference, sales coach now, Ursula Menches. Come on inside. It's going to be a great day. So we have this amazing conference space, and Ursula is kicking off our day talking about limiting beliefs, and those show up everywhere. Those are those little thoughts in our minds that stop us from doing maybe things that would expand our lives. Our attendees are also going to learn then how to plan our 2020 for a juicy good year. These are the tips and tricks inside our beautiful binders. You guys have heard us talking a lot about these, but they are going to be absolutely amazing. I mean, who doesn't want to plan their year in an amazing, beautiful binder? So we have our worksheets and our binders, and we'll tell you more about how you can get in on some of that learning after we get home. But we'll make sure to soak in all of this experience on behalf of you and hold space for you today too. I know a lot of you couldn't make it for these 2 days at Sundara, and that's okay. We are all here to learn and grow together, and so we'll be bringing back some valuable insight. And tomorrow morning we'll get to hear from Dr. Jody Rich and Michelle Marquardt. So it's going to be fantastic. And wherever you are, whatever you're doing today, I just hope that you make it a juicy good one, okay? Lots of love, and have a wonderful Tuesday.